Hey Nathan, I thought I'd shoot you a video to kind of show you how noisy it is. So
welcome to Pete's game room. Have a beer and play some pinball.
Sorry, that's my Alexa. So this is when you just turn it on before you started a game. So I'll put a dime in, and you can hear the ball lift motor running back there, I think. I'll get up closer here. There's a couple sounds you hear. One of the sounds is the motor actually running. I don't know if you can see, you can't really see the arms that carry the balls, but you can see a little flash there when they kind of round the top. And they come up over and they hit the bracket that sticks out from the top of the ball return trough there. They kind of flop on it. And I've tried to adjust that so they won't hit it directly anymore, but they still kind of flop when they come over the top. So you hear that every couple seconds. You hear one of them flop. Yeah, and it runs no matter whether there's a ball back there to return or not. I've always found it kind of odd that the switches here, I guess it's for when the game ends and the ball lift motor shuts off. I've looked at the wiring of it, and I think I've verified it looks like it's wired correctly, but even when the game's over, pressing that button doesn't start the ball lift motor. And I guess I've never really cared enough to fix it, but that's the only kind of variable that I've seen around the ball lift motor and when it runs, is that that button. So anyway, that's it.